buy now, pay later ng 2 months. Usapang sulit ba? Phonestyle ang isa sa mga nag-offer na magandang sulit in which buy now, pay later ng 2 months. 0% interest pa yon. At hindi lang yon, meron silang 24 months, 0 interest sa mga selected banks or credit cards nyo. They are authorized reseller po ba? Yes, they are. Hindi lang sila basta makabenta ng iPhone, talagang authorized sila or pinayagan sila ng Apple na magbenta ng iPhone. Kuya Luis, Apple lang po ba ang makikita natin sa Phonestyle? Hindi, meron silang mga Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and many more. Come and visit them now. And Phonestyle, when it comes to sulit, dun talaga sila pumapasok. Mga credit card banks, and of course, they are legit. And of course, nandito yung mga iPhones na ino-offer nila. From iPhone 17 Pro Max down to iPhone 17 base model at may iPad din sila. Kaya na pang hinihintay mo, come and visit the store now. And syempre, meron silang 77 stores nationwide. Come and visit the Phonestyle.